guys, welcome to another video. In this video it's going to be unboxing February's mini Vettsy subscription box. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. So I've been having Vettsy for quite a while now, and they usually stick in something free, like extra. And this time it is these stickers here. Super duper nice. And we also have the little welcome card. So the first thing I see are these flowers and some leaves, which are beautiful. I actually already have a bunch of these, and like I've separated them by colour, believe it or not. But yeah, I do like them. Very, very detailed, super pretty, very nice. So the next thing I see is a magnet, so obviously we are getting a cat eye gel polish this month. And the next thing I see are these heart, I want to call them like confetti. Yeah, I've already got a box of these, so that's now 2 boxes. But yeah, they're super nice for doing embeds, especially on clear tips. Very nice. So the next thing I see is this love heart thing here. I'm saying thing because I'm not sure what it is. Let's open it up and see. So okay, it's not exactly sure what it's for. I suppose you could put charms and stuff in. You know, and rhinestones and things maybe. It's silicone, so I'm not too sure. If you know, please let me know in the comment section below. So the next thing I see are some lovely 3D hearts. I also have some of these, but that's fine. It's just more to add to my collection. Super duper cute. The next thing I see are these. They look like some sort of confetti glitter mix. So sort of white, yellows, greens. Not sure if I will use these, to be honest. And here's the other one, which has kind of got blues in instead of greens. Not too sure. I'll have to have a think about them, if I'm going to use them or not. Oh, I just tipped the thing, sorry. So the next thing I see is a super cute love heart little palette that you can put like a gel polish on for when you're doing line work and stuff. Then the next thing I see is some love heart silicone molds. So you can make your own heart charms in different sizes. Nice. So the next thing I see is a little stamping plate. Love heart themed. So it's got like I love you, hello, smile, good vibes with love hearts and stuff. That little love kitty is super cute. And I like this down here as well. That's quite nice. So a little stamping plate. Then the next thing I see is some solid nail tips glue, soak off. So I've never used this stuff. You know, I'm totally honest with you guys. So yeah, I will have fun you know, trying it out. Yeah, I'm not going to be opening it with these nails on, but yeah, I will sort of have a mess around with it and see what I think. It's always fun to try new stuff. Then we have the stickers for this month. So we got some pretty purple flowers. And then we have some childlike cartoony flowers. The amount of stickers I've got is absolutely ridiculous, guys. If you'd like me to give away of all the stickers I've got here, make a giveaway of it, let me know and I will do that. So, and we are left with the gel polishes. So we have got number 39 called Queen Bee, which looks like a dark red. And we have number 88, which is called Hidden Gem, which looks like a nice dark blue. And then we also have this one, which, because it came with a magnet, I'm just assuming that it is a cat eye. Open it up. Yes, it is. It's a pastel jelly cat eye. Super nice. So I'm just going to go and swatch these, and I will be back to show you what they look like, guys. Okay, so I'm back from swatching the gel polishes, and these are what they look like. So first off, we have number 39, Queen Bee, which looks like a very deep dark red. And here it is. Kind of not quite matching with the shade, but it is still a nice lovely red, especially if you're doing Valentine's Day designs. Then we have number 88, Hidden Gem, which is like a dark royal blue. And here it is. It is a super duper nice colour blue. I've got a blue like this quite similar from another brand. And yeah, it is just a really, really nice colour. Goes so well with white. It's a lot closer to the swatch than the other one. And then we have the pastel jelly cat eye. And here we go. And this is what it looks like. Super nice. Super pale pink. Really, really pretty. And yeah. Oh, I'm knocking stuff over. It's because I'm looking at my monitor rather than what I'm doing. So yeah, you can see the blue, and the red behind it. So it is definitely a jelly, and it is nice. I do like that very, very much. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see some nail designs that I come up with using this stuff, please hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Yeah, if you would like to see a tutorial on these nails that I'm wearing, please let me know and I'll happily make them again in a different colour for you guys. And I will see you all in another video, guys. Bye!